He lost his job for praying. Then the Supreme Court did something unthinkable. For nearly 7 years, Joe Kennedy's journey was one of resilience, faith, and a fight for constitutional rights. The assistant football coach from Bremerton High School in Washington never imagined that a quiet, personal prayer at the 50-yard line after games would spark a legal battle reaching the highest court in the nation. In 2015, Kennedy was placed on leave after the school district said his post-game prayers, sometimes joined by players, violated policy. For Kennedy, the gesture was never about making a statement, but about gratitude and personal devotion. His suspension drew national attention, igniting debate over free speech, religious expression, and the role of personal beliefs in public schools. Determined to stand his ground, Kennedy fought his case through multiple courts, enduring setback after setback. Finally, on June 27, 2022, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in Kennedy v. Bremerton School District, declaring that his brief, personal post-game prayers were protected under the First Amendment's free exercise and free speech clauses. The court emphasized that public employees do not surrender their personal religious expression simply because they work for a government entity. His reinstatement in 2023 was more than a legal win. It was an emotional homecoming. On September 1, 2023, Kennedy returned to the sidelines, greeted by reporters, community members, and former players. After Bremerton's victory that night, he knelt for about 10 seconds at midfield in silent prayer, surrounded by cameras capturing the long-awaited moment. However, just days later, on September 6 through 7, 2023, Kennedy resigned from his coaching position, citing family obligations and a desire to focus on advocacy work. While his time back on the field was brief, his legal victory left a lasting impact on the national conversation about faith and personal freedom. Supporters saw his case as a triumph for individual rights, while critics continued to raise questions about the balance between personal expression and public duties. Kennedy himself stressed that his prayers were voluntary, never mandatory for players, and rooted in personal gratitude rather than public demonstration. Joe Kennedy's fight, from the sidelines to the Supreme Court and back again, stands as a powerful example of perseverance and a reminder that some battles are about more than a job. They're about the principles we're willing to defend. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.